Today I shall explain some important concepts of real numbers. Number 1, listen carefully. Real numbers are the collection of all rational numbers and irrational numbers. Means real number equal to rational number plus irrational number. Okay. What a rational number you know, but I am going to discuss rational numbers are those which can be expressed as the form of p by q. That is 2 means 2 by 1, 4 by 1. 0 is also a rational number because 0 can be written in the form of 0 by 1. And 3 by 4, 5 by 3 means numerator and denominator both are present. They are rational numbers. And irrational numbers are those which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. That is root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. are the irrational number. Now number 2, important properties in which real number is main Euclid's division algorithm. We will start when the exercises, then Euclid's division algorithm will be used. Any positive integer a can be divided by the another positive integer b. It is said that if a positive integer a can be divided by another positive integer b, leaving a remainder r, and r must be less than b. It is used to compute the HCF of two positive integers. And main formula of Euclid's division algorithm, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Means a is divided, so it is divided by which number a number is divided, that is divisor, and q is the quotient and remainder equal to r. And number 3, every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. Now which are composite number and which are prime number you know, but again I am telling, composite number are those which have more than 2 factors, and prime numbers are those which have only 2 factors. That is example 2, 3, 5, or 2 has a factor only 1 and 2, 3 has the factor only 1 and 3, 5 has the factor only 1 and 5, this type. And composite number, smallest composite number is 4, which have the factor 1, 2 and 4. So it is more than 2 factors. So they are composite number, and composite number can be expressed as the product of the prime number. As example, 50 is a composite number. 50 can be split up as 2 into 5 into 5. So 2 is the prime, 5 is the prime, 5 is the prime. So this type of it. And now phone number, HCF of the two numbers a and b into LCM of the two numbers a and b equal to product of the numbers a into b. Okay, this is a formula. And so from this formula you can derive that HCF of a and b equal to a into b by LCM of the numbers. And same thing, LCM of the two numbers a and b equal to a into b by HCF of the a and b. Okay, and now if HCF of the two numbers a and b is 1, then a and b are known as co-prime positive integers. Means what are co-prime? Two numbers whose HCF is 1. Okay, they are co-prime. Example 2 and 3. If we find out the HCF of 2 and 3, we get HCF only 1. So 2 and 3 are co-prime. Now, terminating decimal. A rational number whose denominator can be expressed only as the power of 2 or powers of 5 or both. That is, denominator is of the form of 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n, where m and n are positive integers. Example, 3 by 2, denominator is 2, 4 by 5, denominator is 5, 4 by 2 into 5. You look here, in all the numbers, denominator is either 2 or 5 or both. So they are terminating decimal. And which are non-terminating decimal? A rational number whose denominator cannot be expressed as the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are positive integers, that is 4 by 6. So 6, if you split up 6, you get 2 into 3. So it is non-terminating decimal. If 9 is the denominator and 9 can be expressed as 3 into 3. So it is also non-terminating decimal. And here denominator is 14, 2 into 7. So it is also 7 is present. So it is also non-terminating decimal, etc. Okay.